Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to Benny's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making this healthy banana and oatmeal muffins. If you want to see how I make this healthy and delicious muffins, please let's get started. So here are the list of ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using some oats which I've grounded. I'll be adding the baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and I'll mix this thoroughly. So these are the dried ingredients, so I'll just mix them and keep that aside before mixing the wet ingredients. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're very much welcome, and please do well to subscribe, like this video, and please share with friends. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you very much, and viewers, and if you have not subscribed, please also do well to subscribe. And here I have my ripe bananas. I'm going to be peeling that and adding that to my bowl, and after which I'm going to mash. So I'm going to be using my fork to mash, and as well use your potato masher or blend it with your blender. So I finished mashing the bananas, so I'm going to add in the vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. After which I'm going to be adding in some honey. I'll be cracking into eggs, and I'll add some vanilla extract. Then I'll mix thoroughly and reintroduce the dry ingredients which we mixed earlier on. So now I'm going to reintroduce the dry ingredients, and I'm going to mix this in batches to make sure there are no lumps in this batter. And this recipe is just so healthy, and you won't feel guilty of eating your muffins and enjoying them because they are so yummy. And after thoroughly mixing this, I'm going to add in the chocolate chips, and I'm going to combine again before pouring them into my lined muffin pan. The list of ingredients used in this video will be in the description box below. Please don't forget to check that out. So after mixing, I'm going to be scooping the batter into a lined baking pan. So I'll just scoop this till it's 3/4 full, after which I'm just going to top up with some chocolate chips. This is optional, but I'm just going to do this, and I'll bake for 8 to 10 minutes. And our banana oatmeal muffins are ready. So I'm just going to place this on my rack to allow this to cool down. And this is 10 minutes after I put this on the rack to allow it to cool. And I'm just going to give this a try and see how good it is. And see, I don't need to tell you how good this is. Just give this a try and you'll know how good this tastes. This tastes so good. When I mean so good, it tastes so good. Like, I kept eating it that I just had to caution myself, like, stop eating like a child. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video, and please stay safe and have a lovely week ahead. Bye.